and beaten down beside the path, dry, desperate and alone. My frail cry goes far and wide. You hear and you hold me in your arms. Lead me to the place I need to go, safe, secure, and loved. Your strong voice revives my soul. I rise, you bring me to our home. My comfort, I'll stay here, wrapped in your presence. Comfort, comfort here inside the walls, warm, satisfied, no. My captors try to reclaim my life, but you're here, you hold me in your arms. Keep me in the tower up above, safe, secure, and love. Your strong voice delights my soul. I rise, I'm yours and yours alone. My comfort, I'll stay here, wrapped in your presence. Prepared and dressed, you send me out to go, heal, deliver, and love. The enemy stays pursuing me, but you're here, I never go alone. Lead me to the streets and to the roads, brave, strong, and loud. Your strong voice ignites my soul. I rise, we're building out this home. My comfort, I'll stay here, wrapped in your presence, wrapped in your presence. Right here, right now. All of me, all of you, why would we go? I'll stay, and it's your nearness, my comfort, I'll stay.